Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Once again, we have Barnes Vor-Tx for your delight. 44 Magnum and 45 Colt, or Long Colt, if you please. What we're doing today is we're just going to be popping some water, catching it in the rice, seeing the water expansion, and seeing how the bullets perform. We're doing this at about 75 yards because for some reason with the 45 and the Rossi survival rifle, it's not real. I don't want to be shooting several shots. I can do it at 75, I know that, and 100 yards for some reason they started spreading. So here we go. We're going to be at 75 yards. We're going to see the expansion and difference between the 44 Magnum and the 45 Colt. All right, 75 yards. Got the 44 Mag and the 45 Colt, both Barnes Vor-Tx. We're going to do a quick hit the water, catch it in the bag of rice, and see what kind of expansion we got between the two. All right, here we go. 45 Colt, 75 yards. Gonna do the hitting the water, stopping in the rice. Barnes, you hear thunder in the background. So we're gonna see what kind of expansion difference we got going on here. It's a slow bullet. It's ironic, you can. Anyway, what I've seen through the scope. So there we go. You can tell by the base. Got the 44 and we got the 45. Let's take them back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We got the Barnes Vor-Tx 44 Magnum versus 45 Colt at 75 yards. We're hitting the water expansion, just seeing the difference between the two, how they reacted, and both did well. So that is not bad at all. If you're looking at those right there, let's get some expansion going on. 44 Mag is 4.1 at the base. We're gonna go right there, 6.5. But if you got this one little pedal that didn't fold up all the way, and 7.9. But for the most part, everywhere else, it is 6.5. Everywhere else around except for that one. Here we go on the 45 Colt, which is 4.3. Yeah, 4.3. We have these folded up a lot more. Then we got 0.5, 0.6, 0.57 right there. 0.6. It's kind of bouncing around. 0.57. Top to bottom on this bullet is 5.6, and top to bottom on this bullet is 6.5. Backwards. But there you go. As you see, the pedals again. Let's just see. We got 2.6, 2.6 again. They're doing their deal. This is 2.4. Pick another one at random. 2.3. You notice none of the pedals on either bullet broke off. They're staying intact, which is good. So, I mean, if you're just wondering, just doing a head-to-head, this really wasn't a competition or anything like that because there really ain't a whole lot to judge on. This is just showing, I just wanted to make a shooting video. And I did. And there you go. 44 Magnum. 45 Colt. Thanks for watching.